Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to the Apex Angling channel. Today's challenge, can a 100 rand setup catch more fish?
Then a 1,000 rand setup. And I want to know,
What?
Water is looking clean. There's a little bit of a flower on the water. What is that?
Yo guys, welcome to the Apex Angling channel. And today we want to know, can a 100 rand setup catch more fish than?
1,000 rand setup. And I want to know if 1,000 rand setup can catch more fish than.
5,000 rand setup, and I will beat both of them.
Let's go.
Let's go!
Morning guys and welcome to the Apex Angling channel. Today we had the wonderful Roodeplaat Dam. The water is looking clean. There's a little bit of hyacinths on top, but I think today is going to be a good day. Chance of fish today is 78% on our app, so it's going to be good. Let's go. So for my 100 rand budget, I get 1 float, 1 dip. So on this side we're using Dragonfire, which is bun spice. This side we are Shisha, which is hot spice, also basically bun spice. So let's see.
So I'm using the 1,000 rand setup. So what I'm using today is a bomb squad, it's a garlic and a Dragula garlic soft, everything from Legacy series.
So with the 100 rand setup, we're on. It doesn't feel like a big one, but let's see. Maybe we can get it out here. So we were on with this beautiful mirror carp. I think it's about 400 grams, but a fish is a fish and we're on. Let's go.
The small one, but we have it. Let's go.
So we're on small carpy. Giving good fight. Let's see what's going on. Here we go. Another small carpy. They're getting better. So we're waiting for the bigger ones.
of my separate rods. Not a big fish, but fish is fish. Let's go.
Not a very big one, but yeah, second one in the books. Let's go. Go.
Another small one on the board. Let's go.
That's it. Number 3 with a R1,000 budget.
So for our catfish rig, we're gonna put on a like a carp fillet. We caught this one earlier, and we're gonna put it in, see what we catch. So on the fillet, we're gonna put Maximus inside of the cavity. I just need to open the bottle. Inside of the cavity, like a lot of it, over it, inside of it. Legacy series.
Okay, so here we have a nice decent barbel, 8.3 kgs, carp head, and Maximus shows you working.
Alright, so Locke found us 3.6.
8.3.
This on the small little yellow rod. Happy times. Lekker. So while we're packing up, last fish of the day. Let's see the size. I'm very excited. I think I won the day officially. So let's see. And there we have it, last fish of the day. Small one, fat, nice. Right guys, so at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter what your budget is. If you have a rod, if you have line, and if you have bait, anyone
You
can
can
catch fish.
anything depending on your brand wise on the dips and floaties and everything. So Legacy is our sponsor for the dippies. You can use Legacy. That's what we use today.
And there we go. Check out Legacy series. Something to say?
Yeah, it was a good day. It was difficult. We had rain, sunshine, a little bit of rain. The wind was blowing. So yeah, if you use the right and proper dips and floats, you will get the results at the end of the day.
Stay tuned for the next video.
That's
Cheers.
it.